If you're facing any issues with NordVPN or have questions that need quick answers, the live chat support is the fastest way to get help. Today, I'll show you how to live chat with NordVPN support step by step. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the NordVPN website. You can do this by typing www.nordvpn.com. Once you're on the NordVPN website, scroll down to the bottom of the page. There you'll find the link to the help center. Now in the help center, you'll see several options for getting support. Look for the live chat option, which is usually at the bottom right corner of the screen. A chat window will pop up asking for your details such as your name and email address. Fill in the required fields and click on Start Chat or Submit to connect with a support agent. Once connected, a support agent will greet you and ask how they can assist you. Clearly explain your issue or question, and the agent will guide you through the necessary steps to resolve it. The support agent may provide you with links, instruction, or troubleshooting steps. Follow the guidance carefully to resolve your issue. Once your issue is resolved, you can end the chat by clicking on the End Chat or Close button. Make sure to thank the support agent for their help. And that's it, you've successfully used the live chat feature to get support from NordVPN.